The IT man, what is the problem? Let's try one more chance. Then if it doesn't, we explore different opportunities. Vote now. Member for Kisumu, you have voted. You remain where you are. Eh? Pardon? Yes, it's done. Order, members. Order. So you remain in your seats. When the voting is going on, you remain in your seats. The three ladies go back. What's the problem? Now, for the members who didn't have their cards, you will pass one by one, and they will tick against your name. You've already voted here. Oh, very good. And yourself? You have voted? Oh, you are voting? Okay. If you have voted, take your seats. Those whose equipment malfunctioned can come to the desk here and report to the clerk. Eh? Okay, okay. If it doesn't On the screen, but very many of you are voting manually, so you are not one of the 150.
Good afternoon. You're watching live pictures from the floor of the National Assembly, where members are currently voting on the nomination of Professor Kithure Kindiki to fill the vacancy in the Deputy President's office. The professor was nominated today by the President to fill up that position, which fell vacant following the removal from office of the previous holder. And Professor Kindiki is currently serving as the Cabinet Secretary for Interior and National Administration, a role he has held since October 2022, albeit also for a small or a brief hiatus between July 11th and August 8th, 2024. The Cabinet Secretary for Interior and National Administration has served under different capacities, among them the Deputy Speaker of the Senate, the Senator for Tharaka Nithi County, and is currently serving as the Interior Cabinet Secretary. As an advocate of the High Court of Kenya with legal experience spanning over 24 years, Professor Kindiki has consulted for various international organizations, among them WTO, that is the World Trade Organization, the African Union, the Intergovernmental Authority on Development, the United Nations, and UN specialized agencies such as the United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees and United Nations Development Program UNDP, and practiced as defense counsel at the International Criminal Court at The Hague. He has also taught law and held various administrative positions at Moi University School of Law and the University of Nairobi School of Law. He began his career as an assistant lecturer in law at Moi University, immediately upon graduating with an undergraduate degree in law. He then joined the University of Nairobi as a lecturer after graduating with a PhD in international law, where he quickly rose to the head of Department of Public Law at the age of 33 years, and then to position of Associate Dean at the age of 35. Professor Kindiki was later promoted to the post of Associate Professor of Law at the Kenyatta University. He has authored 35 publications, including books, book chapters, and articles in local and international peer-reviewed journals. Honorable Kindiki holds a Bachelor of Laws degree from Moi University, a postgraduate diploma in law from the Kenya School of Law, a Master of Law degree, and a doctorate or PhD in international law from the University of Pretoria in South Africa. His professional affiliations include memberships to the Academic Council on the United Nations System, the International Association for the Study on Forced Migration, the International Commission of Jurists, the East African Law Society, and the Law Society of Kenya. In a couple of
honorable members, take your seats. Stop what you are doing, clerk. Honorable members, Hassan, order, honorable members. Honorable members, taking the cue from the submission of Senior Counsel Otienda Molo, whatever you do must be a record, must be impeccable, and must speak for itself. I'm advised by the clerk that the electronic voting system is malfunctioning, and that even after you voted, the numbers are adjusting themselves upwards and downwards. Consequently, I direct that that vote electronically is cancelled and annulled, and we will do a roll call vote. Clerk, majority and minority leader, give me one teller each. Bukose, and who else? Bukose and Junet. Who?
Madam myself.
Okay. Bring to who? Zamzam. Yes. And who else? One more. Who? Owino. Martin. Okay, honorable members, once again, the vote is on the nomination of Professor Kithure Kindiki, EGH, to fill the vacancy of the office of the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya. Clerk, you can start. Remain in your seats, remain silent. We can do this very quickly.
You ready? Tell us what you say. Ready? Ready? Ready?
Ainab Koi, Chepkonga Kiprono Samuel. Aina Moi, Langat Benjamin Kipkurui. Aina Moi, Langat Benjamin Kipkurui.
Not present.
Aldai Kitani Marian Jebet. Alego Usonga Atandi Samuel. Alego Usonga Atandi Samuel. Awendo Owino John Walter. Bahati Mrembo Irene Joki. Balambala Shurie Abdi Omar. Baringo County Sergon Florence Jamatia. Baringo Central Joshua Kandie. Baringo North Maglap Joseph.
Yes.
Baringo South Charles Cameron. Belgut Nelson Koech. Bobasi Innocent Obiri. Bobasi Innocent Obiri. Bobasi Innocent Obiri. Bamachoge Borabu Obadia Nolfason Barongo. Bomachoge Chache Alpha Meruka Ondieki. Bomet County Chepkorir Linet. Bomet Central Richard Kidel. Bomet East Richard Yegon. Bonchari Charles Onchoke. Bonchari Charles Onchoke. Bondo Gideon Ochanda. Bondo Gideon Ochanda. Borabu Patrick Osero. Budalangi Sauti Bita Wanjala. Bumula Nelson Jack Wamboka. Bumula Nelson Jack Wamboka. Bungoma County Catherine Najala Wabilianga. Bungoma County Catherine Najala Wabilianga. Bura Ado Kuno Yakub. Bura Ado Kuno Yakub. Bureti Kibet Komingoi Kirui. Busia County Catherine Omanyo. Butere Nicholas Tindi Mwale. Nicholas Tindi Mwale. Butula Joseph Oyula. Butula Joseph Oyula. Buri Muruidhania Rindikiri Mugambi. Central Imenti Moses Nguchine. Changamwe Omar Mwinyi. Chopalungu Victor Koech. Chopalungu Victor Koech. Cherangani Patrick Simiu Barasa. Chesume Paul Bego. Chuka Iganga Ng'ombe, Ntwiga Patrick. Dadaab, Farama Alim. Yes. Dagoretti North, Beatrice Elachi. Dagoretti South, John Carrier. Eldama Ravine, Musa Sirma. Eldas, Adan Kenan. Elgeyo Marakwet County, Jepto Ngelechei. Embakasi Central, Major Dong Gadiro Benjamin. Embakasi Central, Major Dong Gadiro Benjamin. Embakasi East, Babu Owino. Embakasi East, Babu Owino. Embakasi North, James Gakuya. Embakasi North, James Gakuya. Embakasi South, Julius Mawade. Julius Mawade. Embakasi West, Mark Samuel Mwenje Mureithi. Mark Samuel Mwenje Mureithi. Embu County, Double N Pamela Njoki. Mgwen Lelmengit Joseph Kipto. Mgwen Lelmengit Joseph Kipto. Emuhaya Omboko Milemba. Yes. Emurodikil Johanna Ngeno. Yes. Endebes Kukose. Yes. Doctor. Fafi Farah Sala Yakub. Funyula Wilberforce Oundo Ojambo. Galole Said Buya Hiribai. Galole Said Buya Hiribai. Said Poster. Ganze Kenneth Charo Tungule. Charo Kenneth Charo Tungule. Garissa County, Udgon Amina. Garissa Township, Major Deko Baro. Garsen Ali Wario Guyo. Garsen Ali Wario Guyo. Gatanga Mureu Wakili. Gatondo North, Njoroge Kururia. Gatondo North, Njoroge Kururia.
Yes, Upapule, yes.
Gatondo South, Gabriel Kagombe. Gatondo South, Gabriel Kagombe. Gem, Elisha Odhiambo. Gechogu, Robert Gedenji, Gechimu. Gilgil, Mother Wangari. Githunguri, Gadhoni wa Muchomba. Githunguri, Gadhoni wa Muchomba. Hamisi Charles Gimose. Hamisi Charles Gimose. Homa Bay County, Bensuda Joyce Otieno. Homa Bay Town, George Peter Kaluma. Igembe Central, Daniel Kili Karido. Igembe North, Taitumu Mnaiba Julius. Igembe South, John Paul Mwirigi. Ijara, Abdi Ali. Ikolomani, Bernard Shinali Masaka.
Yes.
Isiolo County, Mumina Bonaya. Isiolo North, Joseph Samal. Isiolo South, Tubi Bidu Mohammed. Tubi Bidu Mohammed. Jomvu Badibadi Twalip. Jomvu Badibadi Twalip.
Absent.
Juja Koimburi George. Juja Koimburi George. Kabete Gidua wa Mashukuru. Kabondo Kasipul Ivo Bara. Kabuchai Joseph Kalasinga. Kabuchai Joseph Kalasinga. Kacheliba Lote Titus. Kacheliba Lote Titus. Kaiti Joshua Kimilu. Kaiti Joshua Kimilu. Kajiado County Lea Sankaire. Kajiado Central Elijah Memusi. Elijah Memusi. Kajiado East Kakuta Maimai. Kajiado North Ngogoyo Onesmus. Ngogoyo Onesmus. Kajiado South Parashina Samuel Sakimba. Kajiado South Parashina Samuel Sakimba. Kajiado West Sunkuya George. Kakamega County Elsie Muhanda. Kaloleni Paul Katana. Paul Katana. Kamukonji Abdi Yusuf. Kandara Njogona Chege. Kandara Njogona Chege. Kandui John Makali. Kangema Peter Kihongi. Kangema Peter Kihongi. Kagundo Fabian Chule. Fabian Chule. Kapenguria Samuel Moroto. Kapsaret Oscar Sudi. Karachuonyo Andrew Okwome. Kasarani Karauri Ronald. Karauri Ronald. Kasipul Charles Were. Kadhiani Robert Mbui. Keio North Adams Kipsanai. Keio South Gideon Kimayo. Kericho County Beatrice Kemei. Keses Julius Ruto Kipleting. Wisero Christopher Aseka Wangaya. Kiamba John Jogona Kawanjiku. Kawanjiku. Kiambu John Machua. Kiambu County, Ann Wamuratha. Kibra, Peter Orero. Kibwezi East, Jessica Mbalu. Jessica Mbalu. Kibwezi West, Mwengi Ekomas Mutuse. Kiemi, Njoroge Wainaina. Kigumo, Joseph Munyoro. Kiharu, Samson Dindi Nyoro. Samson Dindi Nyoro. Kikuyu, Kimani Ichungwa. Kikuyu, Kimani Ichungwa. Kikuyu, Kimani Ichungwa.
Kilgoris Sunkuli Julius Lekaken. Kilgoris Sunkuli Julius Lekaken. Kilifi. Yeah. Kilifi Mwanyanje Gertrude Mbeyu. Kilifi North Baya Owenya. Kilifi South Kiti Richard Ken Chonga. Kilome Thaddeus Kithure Zambia. Kimilili Mutua Didmas Wekesa Baraza. Kiminini Bisau Morris Kakai. Kinango Rai Samuel Gonzi. Kinango Tuku Zakari Kwenya. Kipipiri Wanjiku Mohia. I repeat, Tuku Zakari Kwenya. Thank you. Kipipiri Wanjiku Mohia. Kipkelian East Joseph Kimutai Cherorot. Kipkelian West Hilary Kiplangat Koske. Kirinyaga Jane Jerry Maina. Kirinyaga Central Joseph Gashoki Getari. Kisauni Rashid Juma Bedzimba. Kisii Donya Doris Aburi. Okay. Kisumu Ruth Odhiambo Odinga Busia. Kisumu Central Joshua Odongo Oron. Kisumu East Shakil Ahmed Shabir Ahmed. Kisumu West Rosa Akinyi Buyu. Kitui Irene Mudhoni Kasalu. Kitui Central Makali Benson Mulu. Kitui East Nimrod Mbidhuka Mbai. Kitui Rural David Mwalika Mboni. Kitui South Rachel Kaki Nyamai. Kitui West Edith Vethi Nyenze. Kitui Chache North Nyakundi Jafeth Mokaya. Kitutu Chache South Anthony Kibagendi. Kitutu Masaba Clive Ombane Gisairo. Konoin Brighton Leonard Yegon. Kureso North Mutai Alfred Kiprono. Kureso South Please repeat. Can I repeat? Kureso is North Mutai Alfred Kiprono. Thank you. Kureso South Joseph Kipkoskei Tanui. Kuria East, Maisori Marwa Kitayama Kemero.
Yes.
Kuria West, Matthias Nyamabe Robi. Kwale, Fatuma Hamisi Masito. Kwanza, Ferdinand Kevin Wanyonyi. Lafe, Abdirahman Mohammed Abdi. Lagdera, Abdikadir Hussein Mohammed. Laikipia, Jane Wangeshi Kagiri. Laikipia East, Festus Mwangi Kionjori. Laikipia North, Sarah Paulata Korere. Laikipia West, Stephen Washira Karani. Laisamis Joseph Lekuton. Lamu, Monica Mudhoni Marufu. Lamu East, Ruwaida Mohammed Obo. Lamu West, Mudhamas Stanley Moirori. Langata, Felix Odiwor Kode. Lari, Joseph Buruka Hangara. Likoni, Mishi Juma Hamisi Mboko. Likuyani, Innocent Maino Mugabe. Likuyani. Okay. Limuru, John Keragu Chege. Okay. Loima, Protas Ewesit Akuja. Luanda, Dick Maungu Oyugi. Lugari, yeah, he did. Yeah, he said yes. Okay.
Before him.
So do we repeat? Yes. Dick Maungu Oyugi. Luanda, okay. Nabii Nabwera Daraja, Lugari. Okay. Lungalunga, Mangale Munga Chiforomondo. Lurambi, Titus Hamala Mukwana. Maara, Jafet, yeah, Lurambi, Titus Hamala Mukwana. Okay. Jafet Miriti Kareke Mbuki, Maara. Kamene Joyce Machakos. Machakos Town, Caleb Mutiso Mule. Okay. Makadara, George Aladwa Omwera.
Yes, Aladwa.
Makueni, Susan Dunge Kiamba. Makueni, Rose Museo Mumo. Malava, Moses Malulu Injendi. Malindi, Amina Laura Mnyazi. Mandera North, Bashir Sheikh Abdullahi.
Yes, we have.
Mandera, Sheikh Umulkhair Kasim. Mandera East, Hussein Waitan Muhammad Abdirahman. Okay. Mandera South, Abdul Ibrahim Haro. Mandera West, Adan Haji Yusuf. Manyata, John Gitonga Mwaniki Mukunji. Maragwa, Mary Wamaua Waidira Njoroge. Okay. Marakwet East, David Kangogo Bowen. Okay. Okay.
Order, members. Order. Member for Kisumu. Order. Order. Rosabuyu. Order. Wamaoa vote. Call Wamaoa.
Okay. I will move to Marakwet West. Timothy Kipchumba Toroitich. I will repeat, Timothy Kipchumba Toroitich.
Order, Rosabu, you are out of order. Order. Wamaoa, just sit down. Order.
Timothy Kipchumba Toroitich, Marakwet West. Marsabit, wako Naomi Jilo. Okay, I repeat, Marakwet West.
Order, Lillian Kogo. Order. Lillian. Order. Lillian Kogo, take your seat. Take your seat. Order. Go on.
Marakwet East, David Kangogo Bowen. Thank you. Marakwet West, Timothy Kipchumba Toroitich. Marsabit, Naomi Jilo wako.
Order, Lillian Kogo. Order.
Masinga, Joshua Mbidi Mutua Malio.
Yes.
Yes.
One your vote, yes.
Yes, iko pale.
Matayos Odanga Geoffrey Makoha. Madare Olwoch Anthony Tom. Madioa Gishuki Edwin Mugo.
Yes, Gishuki kwa hapo.
Madira Kahugu Eric Mwangi.
Eric Mwangi.
Madeni.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Madioa Edwin Mugo Gishuki.
Matioya is there. Yes.
Okay. Madira Eric Mwangi Kahugu. Thank you. Matuga Kasim Sawa Tandaza. Matungu Peter Oscar Nabulindo. Matungulu Stephen Mutinda Mule. Mavoko Patrick Makao Kingola. Mbere North Geoffrey Kariuki Kiringa. Mbere South Bernard Muriuki Nebat. Mboni Nzioka Erastus Kevasu. Mboni Nzioka Erastus Kevasu. Okay. Meru Elizabeth Karambu Kailemia. Karambu Kailemia Meru. Migori Muhammad Fatuma Zainab. Mogotio Ruben Kiborek. Moiben Phyllis Chepkemo Barto. Molo Francis Kuria Kemani. Mombasa Zamzam Muhammad Chimba.
I vote yes.
Mosop Abraham Kipsang Kirwa. Moyale Guyo Wako Jalesa. Msambweni Salim Faisal Bader. Msambweni Salim Faisal Bader. Mount Elgon Fred Kapondi Chesebe. Muhoroni James Onyango Oyo. Mukurwaini Kagusha John Philip Geshohi. Mumias East Peter Kalerwa Salasia. Mumias West Johnson Manya Naika. Murang'a, Betty Njeri Maina. Mvita, Mohamed Sud Machele. Mwala, Musau Vincent Musyoka. Okay. Mwatate, Peter Mbogo Shake. Mwea, Mary Maingi. Mwingi Central, Gideon Mutemi Muliungi. Mwingi North, Paul Musimi Nzengu. Mwingi West, Charles Ngusia Nguna. Nairobi City, Esther Mudhoni Pasaris. Naivasha, Jane Wanjiru Njeri Kihara. Nakuru, Liza Chepkori Chelule. Nakuru Town East, David Gikaria. Nakuru Town West, Samuel Arama. Nambale, Mulanya Geoffrey Ekesa. Nambale, Mulanya Geoffrey Ekesa. Nandi, Cynthia Chepkoske Muge. Nandi Hills, Bernard Kibor Kithure. Narok, Rebecca Nonaishi Tonke. Narok East, Lemanken Aramat. Narok North, Agnes Mantaine Pareyo. Narok South, Olentutu Kitilai. Okay. Narok West, Gabriel Koshal Tongoyo. Navaholo, Emmanuel Wangwe. Ndaragwa, George Gashagwa. Ndiwa, Martin Peters Owino.
I vote yes.
Ndia, George Masharia Kariuki. Njoro, Charity Katambi Chepkwony. North Hor, Ade Wario Guyo. North Imenti, Rahim Dawood Abdul. North Mogrango, Joash Nyamache Nyamoko. Nyakach, Owor Joshua Aduma Owor. Nyakach. Nyali, Muhammad Ali. Nyamira, Jerusha Momanyi Mongina. Nyandarua, Faith Waire Mogitau. Nyando, Okelo Jared Odoyo. Jared Okelo Odoyo. Nyaribari Chache. Tayari amevote. Nyaribari Chache, Janda Zahir. Nyaribari Masaba, Daniel Ogwoka Manduku. Nyatike, Tombo ya Odege. Nyeri, Rahab Mokami Washira. Nyeri Town, Duncan Maina Madenge. Oljororok, Michael Mwangi Mushira. Olkalau, David Juguna Kiaraho. Odaya, Michael Wambogo Wainaina. Pokot South, David Losiakao Kosi. Rabai, Mupe Anthony Kenga. Rangwe, Lilian Achiengogo. Rarieda, Paul Rangwe, Gogo Lilian Achieng. Thank you. Rarieda, Paul Otienda Molo. Rongai, Paul Kibet Chebor. Rongo, Paul Abuor. Roy Sambu. Okay. Roy Sambu, Augustine Kamande Mwafrika.
This way.
Ruaraka, Francis Kajwang Tom Joseph.
Yes.
Roiro, Kengara Simon Nganga. Runyenjes, Eric Muchangi Njiru Karemba. Sabatia Sloya Clement Logova. Saboti Caleb Amisi Luyai. Saku Dido Ali Raso. Samburu Pauline Lenguris. Samburu East Jackson Lekumontare Lentoijoni. Samburu North Dominic Eli Letipila. Samburu West Josephine Naisula Lesuda. Seme James Wamburanyikal. Shinyalu Frederick Lusuli Ikana. Siaya Christine Ombako Dwor. Sigor Peter Lochakapong. Sigowet Soin Justice Kipsang Kemei. Sirisia John Walukekoi. Sotik Francis Kibiagon Arab Sige. South Menti Dr. Shadrach Mwiti Irenji. South Mogirangos Silvanas Osoro Nyego. Soy David Kiplagat. Starehe Mwago Amos Maina. Suba North Millie Grace Akoto Diambo. Suba South Karoli Omondi. Subukia Samuel Kinudia Gashobe. Suna East Muhammad Junet Sheikh Nu. Suna West Peter Francis Masara. Okay. Taita Taveta Lydia Haika Mnene Mizige. Okay. Tana River Amina Dika Abdullahi. Tarbaj Hussein Abdi Bare. Taveta John Okano Bwire. Teso North Edward Kaunya Oku. Yes. Teso South Mary Emase Otucho. Tetu Geoffrey Wandeto Mwangi. Tharaka George Getonga Murugara. Tharakanithi Susan Nguginduyo. Thika Town Alice Wamboi Nganga. Tiati William Kamket Kasait. Tigania East Lawrence Puruaburi. Tigania West John Kanywidia Mutunga. Tinderet Julius Melik Biwot. Tongaren John Murumba Chikati. Transoia Lillian Chebet Siyoy. Tarbo Janet Chepkemboy Sitiene. Turkana Cecilia Asinyen Nyetit. Turkana Central Joseph Namuar Emathe. Turkana East Nicholas Ngikor Gikolong. Turkana North Paul Ekwom Nabuin. Turkana South John Ariko Namoit. Turkana West Daniel Epuyo Nanok. Wasingishu Gladys Jepkoske Boss. Ugenya David Omochieng. Uriri Mark Ogola Nyamita. Vihiga Kevai Ernest Ogesi Kagesi. Vihiga Beatrice Kahai Adagala. Voi, Hamis Chome Abdi. Wajir, Fatuma Abdi Jeho.
I vote yes.
Wajir East, Aden Dawood Mohammed. Wajir North, Ibrahim Abdi Sane. Wajir South, Mohammed Aden Ado. Wajir West, Yusuf Mohammed Farah. Webuye East, Martin Pepela Wanyonyi. Webuye West, Daniel Wanyama Sitati. Daniel Wanyama Sitati. West Mogrango, Stephen Mogaka. West Pokot, Rael Chepkemoy Kasiwai. Westlands, Timothy Wanyonyi Wetangula. Wundanyi, Danson Mwashako Makuona. Yata, Robert Ngui Basil. Ali Abdisirat Khalif. Sabina Wanjiru Chege. Joseph Hamis Sidena. Suleka Hulbale Harun. Dorothy Mudoni Ikiara. Jackson Kipkemoy Koske. Jackson Kipkemoy Koske. Irene Nyakerario Mayaka. Umulher Harun Muhammad. Teresia Wanjiro Mwangi. Abubakar Ahmed Talib. Mara. Yeah.
Yes, I'm a bigger, yes.
Yeah. Okay.
And Mara.
Mara, Jafet Miriti Kareke Mbuki. Okay, we are done. Yeah.
Order, members. Is there any member who has order, Kiborek? Order. Is there any member who has not had his or her name? Honorable members, is there any member?
Yes.
Yes.
Joseph Wainaina Iraya. $340. Joseph Hamisi Dana.
There is a member at the back there, the nominated member.
He's voted.
Okay. Honorable members, order, honorable members, is there any member who has not been called out on the roll call? No member.
Could the Honorable Member for Loima, Honorable Protas Ewesit Akuja, come to the front, please? Thank you.
Good afternoon. The members of Parliament have been voting for the nomination of Professor Kithure Kindiki to fill the vacancy in the Deputy President's office. This voting by roll call was necessitated by the failure of the electronic system, and that roll call has been taken, and tallying of the votes is currently underway. So in a couple of moments we will get the result of the exercise that has been taking place, but just to familiarize with the standing orders on voting and divisions. Standing Order 73, roll call voting. When the Speaker directs a roll call voting to be taken, the division bell shall be rung for 10 minutes. The names of one teller for the ayes and one teller for the nays shall be submitted to the Speaker, and the Speaker shall direct the tellers to take seats at a designated place, which we saw a couple of minutes ago. At the end of 10 minutes, the Speaker shall direct the doors to be locked and the bar drawn, and no member shall thereafter enter or leave the House until the roll call vote has been taken. When the doors have been locked and the bar drawn and the names of the tellers have been announced, the Speaker shall put the question again and direct the clerk to call out the names of members in alphabetical order in the presence of the tellers. When called out, each member shall thereupon rise in his or her place and declare assent or dissent to the question in the following manner: I vote yes, or I vote no, or I abstain, or use appropriate Kenya sign language. That is according to Standing Order 73 of the National Assembly. After the clerk has read the last name in the division list, the tellers shall present the result of the roll call vote to the Speaker, who shall thereupon announce the result of the vote to the House. So we are waiting for that process to conclude. On your screen, you can see there's that activity taking place. The tellers are standing to the left of the screen. Just in front of the Speaker is the Member of Parliament for Endebess, Honorable Dr. Robert Bukose, and the Member of Parliament for NDIWA constituency there on your screen, Honorable Owino, who is also a teller, and they are being assisted by the clerks. Standing Order 71 of the National Assembly talks about technical failure, confusion or error occurring, which we did see some minutes ago. In the event of a technical failure, confusion or error occurring in the course of voting, which in the opinion of the Speaker cannot otherwise be corrected, the Speaker may direct the House to another round of electronic voting or proceed to a roll call voting. And all that we have seen today during this historic exercise for the National Assembly, where they are considering the nomination of Professor Kithure Kindiki, EGH, to fill the vacancy in the Deputy President's office. The professor currently serves as the Cabinet Secretary for Interior and National Administration, a role he has held since October 2022. But there was a brief moment between July 11th, 2024 and August 8th, 2024, when His Excellency the President dissolved his cabinet. But the former senator for Tharaka Nithi County was reappointed to the very docket that he had served, and is currently serving the country in that capacity as the Cabinet Secretary for Interior. We will see the decision that is taken by the National Assembly this afternoon.
Order, honorable members, order. Members, take your seats. Take your seats. Take your seats. Jen Kagiri, take your seats. Take your seats, members. Karemba, take your seats. Ruku. Take your seats. Take your seats.
So which one are we using?
Tell us, go to the bar. Tellers approach the dispatch table now. Who is your team leader, Bukose?
Honorable Speaker, on the voting, abstentions 0, nays 0, ayes 236.
You have signed to the order, honorable members. Order. Order. Who is that member? Hillary. Take your seat. Honorable members, the vote on the nomination of Professor Kithure Kindiki to fill the vacancy in the office of the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya is as follows. Abstentions, nil. Noes, nil. Ayes, 236. Present and voting, as we had advised you earlier, the vote is overwhelmingly yes. So the nomination is herewith declared passed by the House, and the Speaker will transmit the results to the President, and the Speaker will also sign a Gazette notice to this effect that the nominee for Deputy President has been duly voted by the House and approved. Approval is not applicable here. Has been voted by the House and therefore will transmit to the appointing authority to proceed with the appointment. Is now Deputy President-elect. Members, having finished on the issue of the Deputy President-elect, it is now 1:54 p.m. and the House will adjourn until this afternoon at 2:30. Order. If you wanted to break now, the majority leader would have approached the chair.